Seattle, home to the Cascade Mountains, Puget Sound, the Space Needle, the famous Pike Place Market, the birthplace of pickleball, and many other local cultural amenities. And in 2025, it will be the site for one more preeminent attraction, the Academy of Osseointegration's 40th annual meeting. Registration is now open for Controversies in Implant Dentistry, How to Make It Easy, at the Seattle Convention Center March 27th through 29th. Plan now to attend and join 1,500 dentists across all specialties, general dentists, and support staff for engaging presentations, hands-on workshops, and much more, conveying the latest scientific research and techniques. AO's robust 3-day program featuring world-renowned experts will kick off with keynote speaker Dr. Michael Norton, presenting Controversies in Science and the Role of Industry, followed by AO's welcome reception in the exhibit hall to provide you with ample opportunities to network with colleagues, new friends, and your favorite exhibitors. Kicking off the opening symposium will be an electrifying performance by AO members Emil and Daryl, world-renowned cello virtuosos who have catapulted to fame, sharing the stage with some of music's biggest names and as finalists on America's Got Talent. New this year will be point-counterpoint sessions, a combined general session incorporating both surgical and prosthetic scientific presentations by world-renowned experts, and the AO Town Hall, short scientific talks by leading implant companies held during breaks and lunches in the exhibit hall. You will also not want to miss hearing about groundbreaking research firsthand through nearly 200 e-posters, clinical innovation, oral clinical and oral scientific research presentations, lunch with the masters, the Young Clinicians Luncheon, and the AO's Got Talent case presentation competition by early career clinicians. Be sure to reserve your spot at your choice of 4 hands-on workshops featuring the latest technologies and first-hand learning on the topics of osseodensification, soft tissue grafting, sinus grafting, and digital implant planning. On Friday night, get ready for AO's time-honored President's Reception at the Museum of Pop Culture, complimentary with your annual meeting registration. Home to the world's most immersive pop culture experiences, Mopop showcases iconic moments in TV, rock and roll music, science fiction, and much more. It is home to numerous exhibits and interactive activity stations, activating the world-shaping power of pop culture. Don't miss this spectacular AO event. Also new this year will be pickleball courts available in the exhibit hall for pickup games and intro classes. Just show up with your tennis shoes. This premier implant dentistry conference all takes place in Seattle. It will also be a perfect opportunity to bring family members and extend your stay to enjoy this scenic, bustling metropolis. A winning combination. Be sure to register today to take advantage of discounts and reserve your place in limited attendance sessions.
Don't miss this incredible event. I look forward to greeting you all in the Emerald City of Seattle, Washington.